Hi students. In today's India, around 60 to 70% of students dream to be a doctor. Remaining 30% wanted to be an engineer. But those who dream to be a doctor, for them the favorite dress code is white coat, and for them most valuable ornament is stethoscope. If do you agree, then just like this video and share it to your friends and move further. If you're first time visiting to the Chem YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon. But the main reality is that out of that 60 to 70%, only 5 to 10% of them make it reality. Remaining 95 to 80% of them remains this only dream only, because of the two reasons. First is just lack of guidance. How to prepare for the entrance examination called NEET. They are not able to crack just because of the guidance. What type of questions will be there, how to prepare for them, and what is the right way to understand the concept, what is the way to attempt the questions. So now Chem tries to eradicate at least this problem. Out of the two problems, one problem is being addressed as a part from Chem we are trying to eradicate this problem. How? With just free but quality video lecture, at Chem we believe in quality and tries to reach the education for the poorest people, and also wanted this India to become a problem free India or healthy India. So to make you a doctor, we are providing you with free but quality video lectures. So see the description box for recently launched free one-shot catalyzer series, in which you will be completing one chapter through the one lecture, which is called as a one-shot catalyzer crash course. So try to go through that daily, and during that course, if you feel any problem, any topic problem, then related topic also will be completely explained in the same video lecture. Just see the description of that video lecture and you will get the topic complete in detail with the theory and numericals. So the today's नारा is daily Chem से पढ़ेंगे, नीट को फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में क्रैक करेंगे. Do you agree with that? Don't forget to like this video if you wanted to be a doctor and you wanted your friends or your family members to also be a doctor. Don't forget to keep this video link in the status or share it to your groups of friends and family. Help them to achieve their goal. Now the second main problem is financial problem. So why? Because in India, for the expenditure to be a doctor is very very high. Because of that, many people are not able to get the government college seat and cannot join the private college seat because of the one major problem. What is that problem and how it is solved? Let's see. Okay, as the problem with the finance is most of the students are not getting sufficiently good rank to join the government colleges, then they are opting for the private colleges. So when you go to the private colleges, to avoid skipping or leaving that college in between, all private colleges ask you the bank guarantee. You have to give the bank guarantee. And when you go to the bank for giving the bank guarantee, they will ask you some property or some supporting finances. Okay, So when you show them the supporting financial requirement, then they will give you the bank guarantee. That bank guarantee will give it to your college for the 3.5 years. So this was the main problem the students are facing for going through the medical colleges in private. So to avoid this problem, this is the Deepen Singh Beniwal, son of the Sri Yashpal Singh Chaudhary. He filed a petition. This petition number also everything is given. This is just downloaded from the website, official website only. Okay. So this is these are the some colleges. So main thing we are going to check it now is here. This is no issue notice to stay application also. So here in this it is clearly mentioned, in the meanwhile and until the next date, respondents from 6 to 13, that is colleges names are given, are restrained for insisting upon the furnishing bank guarantee. That means they cannot ask the bank guarantee from the students who are granted admission to MBBS course pursuant to NEET UG medical or dental admission counseling. During this counseling, whoever is allotted that colleges, now those colleges should not ask them any bank guarantee. But in place of that, what they can take, however, the institution shall be at liberty to direct the students admitted to furnish bond towards the fee of 3.5 years. So that means instead of bank guarantee, you can write a bond and give it to the colleges in place of the bank guarantee. So now you have to pay. It is made clear that students admitted to the course shall under be obligation to deposit full fee of the first year as stipulated. That means when you join a college, private college, now you will pay only first year fees, and but shall be provisionally exempted from the furnishing bank guarantee remaining 3.5 years, subjected to outcome of the present petition or stay petition. Now these they need not to pay, or they need not to give the bank guarantee of remaining 3.5 years. You can join the private college by paying only 1 year. So the same thing is going to be forwarded by the High Court to the MCA, and mostly it will be applicable to the all states. So let's make it as a revolution, so that if more people are known, then more such type of cases can be filed in the respective high courts, or by NTA if it is if want, or MCA if it wants, they can allow the all colleges also. They can make it applicable to all colleges also. So for that, what you have to do is you should give this video a wide publicity, so that most of the students who are preparing for the NEET, they should be aware of this problem they are going to face, and right from now itself they can get a complete solution. So which chem is always with you. We will give you the prompt information from the authenticated sources. So, and lot of information I wanted to share you. So to get that information in a prompt way, you have to subscribe this video and subscribe this channel and press bell icon, so that you can get the information as soon as possible. Thank you, and be with which chem wishes you happy and successful doctor life. See you. Bye bye.